From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for the debate.
Debate at 10, presented by Reliance Jio, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, in style partner Raymond.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. When a political party doesn't believe in politicizing the killing of an Indian sarpanch by Pakistani terrorists, it reveals their mindset. It further reveals their mindset when they take a slogan of the BJP, Congress Mukt Bharat, and then they put it in a narrative on the killing of Sarpanch Ajay Pandita Bharti. It further reveals that they're only acting on a narrative that has been set to give Pakistan a clean sheet. Watch on.
40-year-old Sarpanch Ajay Pandita Bharti was shot at by Pakistan-backed Lashkar terrorists outside his house in Anantnag on 8th of June. He was murdered for upholding the principles of Indian democracy in Kashmir. But the political party he belonged to is playing politics over his sacrifice. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor says, and I quote, "Congressmen are being killed from Kashmir to Kerala for standing up for secularism and democracy. The message is clear. Congress Mukt Bharat is what all enemies of the idea of India want." Ajay Pandita's young daughter has a message for the political opportunists.
मेरे पापा कह रहे थे कि अगर मेरे साथ कभी ऐसा हो तो मुझे कांग्रेसी ये वो मत नहीं बोलना. उन्होंने अपने नाम के आगे भारती क्यों लगाया? क्योंकि वो चाहते थे कि उनकी आइडेंटिटी इंडिया बने, ना कि वो किस पार्टी से बिलोंग करते हैं.
आपको लगता है कि जिस तरह आपके फादर का नाम ये जोड़ा जा रहा है कि कांग्रेसी थे, कांग्रेसियों को मारा जा रहा है, कहीं ना कहीं जो नेशनलिस्ट उन्होंने अप्रोच रखी, राष्ट्र के लिए शहादत दी, उसको कहीं ना कहीं डिमोरलाइज करने का प्रयास?
डिमोरलाइज सर करने का प्रयास अगर ये कर रहे हैं तो वो मैं होने नहीं दूंगी. पूरा इंडिया इस वक्त जानता है कि वो कोई पार्टी के लिए ये सब नहीं कर रहे थे, वो अपने नेशन के लिए कर रहे थे. वो नेशनलिस्ट थे और रहेंगे भी, उनकी फैमिली भी वैसी ही है. और जो लोग इस चीज़ को पॉलिटिकल इशू बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो लोग सर, उन लोगों के लिए अब मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती. उन लोगों की मेंटालिटी क्या है, उन लोगों की सोच क्या है, ये इधर ही दिखती है.
The day he was killed, leaders of the Congress, instead of condemning Pakistan, raised questions about his security.
तो हमने कहा था कि जिस माहौल में आप लोगों ने चुनाव किया, जिस तरह से ये सियासी तौर आपने इसको कवर अप किया, तो ऐसे में लोगों को प्रोटेक्ट करने की ज़रूरत है.
Is Congress trying to insinuate Pandita's killing was a political murder? What does Congress mean when it says those who want Congress Mukt Bharat killed Pandita? By making it about Ajay Pandita's political leanings, is Congress giving Pakistan a clean chit? Let's debate.
On the debate, we're now going to be introducing our panelists. We have Nupur Sharma, spokesperson of the BJP and advocate. We also have daughter of late Ajay Pandita, Nayanta Pandita, who's joining us. Thank you on this debate. We have Major General G.D. Bakshi, who's also present with us. Sushil Pandit, Republic contributor, Kashmir and Internal Security. We also have Ashish Dhar, Kashmiri activist. And we have Rameez Makhdoumi, journalist who's live from Srinagar along with us. We have Ifra Jan, Kashmiri columnist, Mohammad Tausif Rahman, political analyst, who's also with us, as well as Chetan Singh, political analyst live from Delhi. I thank you all for being with us. My first question to Nayanta Pandita, daughter of late Ajay Pandita. Nayanta, today through the day, we have seen a certain political party trying to make the Sarpanch martyrdom into a political issue. जब आपसे सबसे पहले दिन बात हुई थी नियंता, आपने उसी समय कहा था कि मेरे फादर एक नेशनलिस्ट है और मैं होने नहीं दूंगी कि इसको कोई भी ऐसा रंग दिया जाए, कोई ऐसा ढंग दिया जाए कि इससे मतलब निकाल दिया जाए एक होने का, कि मेरे फादर ने अपने सरनेम पे भारती लिखा है। जब कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अब ये करने का सोच रही है, जब आप मांग कर रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तानियों ने जिन्होंने ये किया है मुझे जस्टिस मिले, आप बताइए आपका उनको जवाब क्या होगा?
मैम, सबसे पहले कि उन्होंने इस इशू को भी पॉलिटिकली रेज करने की कोशिश की, ये देख के तो आई एम टोटली अशेम्ड, कंप्लीटली अशेम्ड आई एम, कि आप किसी के सेक्रीफाइस को भी पॉलिटिक्स में यूज करते हैं। ये दिस इज नॉट द वे टू ट्रीट अ शहीद पर्सन। ये सही नहीं है। मैंने स्टार्टिंग में भी कहा था कि इसे पॉलिटिकल इशू बनाने की कोशिश मत कीजिएगा, बिकॉज माय फादर डिडंट वर्क बिकॉज ही बिलोंग्स टू एनी पार्टी, ही वर्क्स बिकॉज ही वाज अ ट्रू सन ऑफ दिस नेशन। डोंट ट्राई टू मेक इट अ पॉलिटिकल इशू।
बिल्कुल। और जब ये कहते हैं कि कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक कांग्रेस के लोगों में मार्टरडम हो रहा है, तो आप क्या कहना चाहती हैं? जब एक कश्मीरियत के लिए आपके फादर खड़े थे, ही वाज स्टैंडिंग फॉर एज अ नेशनलिस्ट, व्हाट इज योर आंसर टू ट्राइंग टू लिंक दिस पर्टिकुलर मार्टरडम टू अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी?
As I told you that I am ashamed. उन्होंने जो भी कहा कि कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक, मैम, वो उन्होंने अगर उन्होंने भी अच्छे काम किए हैं, जिनके साथ भी ये हुआ, उन्होंने भी अच्छे काम किए हैं, वो भी शहीद अगर हुए हैं, तो मैम उनकी रिस्पेक्ट कीजिए, उन्हें पॉलिटिकली मत देखिए। हम कोई आर्मी ऑफिसर, कोई शहीद कोई इंसान जब अपनी जान देता है देश के लिए, वो इसलिए नहीं देता है कि वो पॉलिटिक्स खेलना चाहता है। अपनी लाइफ इज नॉट अ जोक, इट्स नॉट अ जोक। यू नीड bravery for that. You need true love for your nation.
Yes. Bilkul. That is also the sentiment I want to take across to people who are listening to you. There is a nationwide outrage over these comments. I want Nupur Sharma to come in here. Nupur, and I also want our other guests to join in. These comments are coming from the same political party that had made comments, and certain scions of that political party, that also includes those scions who had said 1 year after the Pulwama attack who benefited the most from it. Is this apt at this time to make certain comments on the martyrdom of an Indian Sarpanch who's been killed by Pakistan? Are you trying to show your closeness to Pakistan here?
Rhythm, may I please? I would like to start by folding my hands. मैं आपको नयनता हाथ जोड़ के आपके पिताजी की शहादत को नमन करती हूँ, और भारत के वीर सुपुत्र की पुत्री हैं आप। आपके जज्बे को सच में, और आपकी स्ट्रेंथ को, मुझे पता है आप शायद उम्र में मुझसे बहुत छोटी हैं, लेकिन आप जिस तरीके से इस पूरी चीज के सामना कर रही हैं, आपकी तो अभी 4-5 दिन ही हुए हैं आपके पिताजी की शहादत को। मैं सच में हैट्स ऑफ टू यू, सैल्यूट्स टू यू। आप ही सच में भारत का भविष्य हैं, आप फ्यूचर हैं, एंड आई ऑल माय प्रेयर्स फॉर योर स्ट्रेंथ। नाउ आई वांट टू कम टू द मूड पॉइंट, Rhythm. I mean, you know, what do you say about Shashi Tharoor? He is the loosest cannon to come out of Congress party. Now, literacy doesn't necessarily vouch for any kind of education. Sometimes it would benefit him if he actually paid attention to the content of what he was trying to say, rather than the accent and the delivery of it. Now, this is the same party, as you rightly put it, which is time and again absolving Pakistan or Pak-backed terrorists, and usually trying to stay politically relevant in domestic politics by calling it a domestic conspiracy. I mean, this is absurd. You have lost your own party member, but you don't lose an opportunity to play politics over it. And this young child, this young girl has to come out and just, slam you for it. This is really strange, but this is actually what Congress is all about. Let's not forget only 4 years ago, Rhythm, it's the same Congress party whose national vice president and very senior leader went in support and in solidarity of those people who were backing Pak-sponsored terrorists. And they were calling our constitutional authority like Supreme Court of India a judicial killer. It happened in JNU, wherein Rahul Gandhi went in support of these Pak-backed terrorists. So why does Congress party always find itself in support or finding itself getting some support from Pakistan? You will usually hear the Pakistani parliament make strong statements, Pakistani former foreign ministers making strong statements that we would like to see Rahul Gandhi as the Prime Minister of India. What does it have to do with you, Pakistan, in the first place? And that actually opens a can of worms. It's the same Congress party which is calling Indian Army chief names. It's abusing Indian Army and the sacrifice and valor of our people, our civilians, serving men, veterans, and what have you. At the same time, going and hugging people like Bajwa. So Congress needs to decide, is it an Indian political party or a Pakistani political party?
Therefore, my question to Rameez Makhdoumi, we've heard Nayanta, and like all of us are saluting her, the martyrdom of her father. I ask you only one question that has an obvious corollary. The nation is united against terrorism. But Shashi Tharoor, the ilk in the Congress party continue to try and divide on political lines. Is it a time this stops?
See, I am not here to spread hate against any community or raise my blood pressure. I have always maintained that the pain and sufferings of Kashmiri Pandits and Muslims are collective. They are not competitive. For the past 6 years, this government is doing a big drama in the name of Kashmir. Every day the situation is getting better. The Jawans, the Sarpanches, the armed Janta is getting killed. For 6 years, this government has failed to solve the issue of Kashmir. It has added more problems to Kashmir. Why was Kashmir so peaceful during Vajpayee? He was also a BJP man. He was not a Pakistani man. Vajpayee had given a sense of hope to Kashmir that issues would be settled amicably. Vajpayee was not a
Sushil Pandit, yet again, it's a politicization of the matter instead of answering what I've asked. This is not about what he's answering. Sushil Pandit, you have spoken about this earlier several times. Rameez, you're again going and trying to wield around the issue but not answering what I asked you. There has been an Indian Sarpanch who's been killed by Pakistanis. You're again going around. Sushil, I would like you to come in and enlighten him how this is India united against terrorists.
Congress is raising genuine questions. This government has failed from coronavirus management to Kashmir crisis. It has everywhere failed.
To have my say. Your other panelist goes on and on, doesn't listen to you. What I have to say here very clearly is that there are too many ghulams in the Congress who cannot differentiate between India and BJP. In their opposition to BJP, they berate our own security forces instead of accusing and condemning the killers of their own party man. They are trying to put our security agencies in dock, just as the other Ghulam in Delhi. This is what the Ghulam Ahmad Mir of State Congress President said. And the other Ghulam Nabi Azad in Delhi said, Indian army is killing more civilians in Kashmir than the terrorists. So in their opposition to the BJP, which is quite welcome as an opposition party, they end up harming India. They end up targeting India and handing over on a platter to Pakistan opportunities to target us.
It is the policies of this government
Those who keep saying that Mr. Vajpayee's era was the most peaceful era, yes, he made attempts at peace, but the assembly of Jammu and Kashmir was blown up when he was the Prime Minister. Our parliament was targeted when he was the Prime Minister. Our borders in Kargil were violated when he was the Prime Minister. Despite all his peace efforts, what did Jihad do in Kashmir?
I am sorry to
What did Jihad do in Kashmir? He went to Lahore. He called Musharraf over. But you never stopped targeting India. Even our airline plane was taken to Kandahar during his regime. You slaughtered unarmed, non-combatant women and children. During his time, for the first time, there was Ramzan ceasefire in Kashmir. What did you do? More than 3 dozen security personnel were targeted and killed. This is what you did in the time of Mr. Vajpayee, whose praises you are singing right now, but you created hell for peace in Kashmir. You keep forgetting your
I
own
just
record.
want to bring the topic back to an Indian, Sushil and Ramesh Makhdoumi. I just want to bring this back to not the history, but simply an Indian and India's fight against terror. And that's why I want to get in Major General G.D. Bakshi. Major General G.D. Bakshi, we've also seen you fight today itself against what you call academic terrorism right here in Delhi when you were invited for a lecture at JNU, and of course we know what happened when there was some chaos there by a certain lobby. So I ask you a question here. When you see someone who is politically motivated, Major General G.D. Bakshi, they forget that they are very selectively raising their voice. Vadra Congress very selectively raises their voice, but they are quiet when the Palghar incident happens. But they also at the same time are silent when Gul Mohammad Mir in May 2019, there is a BJP worker who is killed. But then they certainly say that there are certain times we should speak up and certain times not. So isn't this correct right now, Major General G.D. Bakshi? It's time to speak up and say we are united as Indians against terror.
You know, I have been trying to say this time and again. For God's sake, it is the job of the opposition to oppose. But when it comes to issues of national security, when it comes to threat from an enemy nation which has attacked us 4 times and has been waging a relentless asymmetric war against us for the past 30 years, then I'm afraid all Indians, the emphasis is on India, all Indians close ranks and present a united front. We are very pained to see this not happen. I salute Mr. Bharti. He was a very brave son of the soil, a very brave Indian. And unfortunately, he's been targeted by the terrorists. I have a request to whosoever is the local battalion commander of the RR there. Let me finish. Let me please finish. Whosoever is the local battalion commander of the RR there, he needs to be,
we don't need a speech from
go all out
BJP panelists.
and take
Sir,
revenge.
we need an answer.
He needs to take revenge against these people who have done this dastardly deed.
To handle Kashmir.
They should be killed horribly to send an example, a deterrent example to any terrorist joker in the valley that this will not go unpunished.
They are losing their
These people's lives should be forfeit. If I was the battalion commander there, I would see that these people were dead, were brought before the country, their dead bodies were exhibited on the television screens. Tomorrow,
this is happening, we need to stop.
Tomorrow,
we don't need a speech from you.
It will stop when those people are killed.
The Sarpanch got killed and he belongs from a political party. My salute is to Niyanta that she is taking this in a very brave way, in a very brave manner.
She is a very brave girl.
Lost his father, but she's still counting herself as an Indian. She has lost an Indian boy from in Indian soil. But the problem is that where are we lacking behind? Major Bakshi की speech सुनने में हमें कोई शौक नहीं है. The problem is the government is a failure.
I'm not Major Bakshi, by the way. You better get my rank right.
Before 2014,
no, you want to abuse army men, you better get their ranks right first.
Kashmiris are
all right?
unnecessary.
I'm not Major Bakshi.
There is no answer.
I'm not Major Bakshi. Please get my rank right.
Because of 2 militant, 11 house got burned. They set up a mine in this 11 house and they have lost their house. You know, Kashmiris are not to be blamed. The politics has to be blamed. I totally agree with Niyanta. Whatever Niyanta is saying, in Indian soil, an Indian lost his life. But the problem is, a congressman died, an Indian died. Whether he's a
Niyanta
Kashmiri,
wants to come in. Yes,
non-Kashmiri,
I want
Pandit,
Niyanta
or
to come in
whosoever.
because she also. Niyanta, आप भी बताइए.
BJP should
can I
resign.
please-
Okay, I heard your point, Tauseef. Niyanta also wants to come in.
There are big time failures.
Niyanta, आप कुछ बोल रही थी, आप बताइए.
Giving us your bloody lecture.
And Niyanta, please don't mind.
Can you
I'm not
stop your bloody
politicizing
lecture?
anything.
मैम
And
इसे
listen to the-
मैंने ये पूरी डिबेट
We
सुन
need
ली,
justice for your
मैंने
father.
सभी को सुन लिया वो जो कह रहे हैं,
हमें आपके
मैंने सभी को
आपके
सुन लिया
पिता
वो
के
क्या
लिए
क्या कह रहे हैं.
शहीद
सब आर स्टिल मेकिंग इट
भारती
एज
जी
अ
के लिए
पॉलिटिकल
हमें
इशू.
justice चाहिए,
और उन्होंने
हमें
और
लंबी
एक ने
speech
कहा
नहीं चाहिए.
और सर ने कहा, एक सर ने कहा कि इंडियन आर्मी ज्यादा सिविलियंस को कश्मीर में मार रही है. सर मुझे एक बात बताइए, हम जिस गांव में थे वहां तो सारे सिविलियन ही मारे जाते थे ना. पापा तो सिविलियंस के ही काम करते थे. तो गोली किसने मारी? सिविलियन ने. अब आप कह रहे हैं कि सर कश्मीर से ज्यादा टेररिस्ट भरे पड़े हैं कश्मीर में. टेररिस्ट सिविलियंस किन्हें कह रहे हैं आप? मेरे पापा तो उन सिविलियंस के लिए काम करते थे ना, तो सिविलियंस भी मारा क्या?
टेररिस्ट को
अब आप
बनाया
इससे क्या
जाता
बोलेंगे?
है।
क्यों ना आर्मी
कश्मीर
उन्हें
में
सजा दे?
टेररिस्ट को बनाया जाता है, और ये बोलने से अगर आप मुझे अरेस्ट भी कर लेंगे, अगर मेरे ऊपर कोई
Let us
जाती है
see.
उन्हें
Don't
वहाँ।
politicize the issue,
बनानी
please.
जाती है उन्हें
Please.
वहाँ।
लोगों की जान जा रही है. नियंता,
I
आपके
think
फादर
this
एक
gentleman
शहीद
is
हैं।
giving-
Sir, please, I'm repeatedly saying, don't make it a political issue.
कश्मीर के जमीन में क्यों हुई? आपके फादर की कश्मीर में मौत क्यों हो
तौसीफ,
बात कांग्रेस की
तौसीफ, let us speak.
बात एक कश्मीरी की है, कश्मीरी पंडित की है, चाहे वो कश्मीरी पंडित हो।
Sir, please,
Tauseef, let us speak, please.
Sir,
अगर बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट वहां पर नहीं संभाल सकता,
यार,
आप बोलिए वहां से वो उठ जाए।
We aren't here to listen to his very rant.
कश्मीरी गवर्नमेंट
Sir,
वो नहीं
please,
संभाल सक रहे।
मैंने पहले ही कहा, मुझे बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, पीडीपी, आप इन सब से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. मुझे इन सब से कोई लेना देना नहीं है सर. मुझे इन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, ना मेरे पापा को था. हम यहाँ कोई पॉलिटिकल इशू किसी पार्टी को ब्लेम नहीं कर रहे. ना मैं किसी पार्टी के खिलाफ नहीं हूँ यहाँ पे, ना मैं किसी के साथ हूँ. आई एम विद द नेशन. I want justice from my nation, not from any particular political party.
होता है
Tauseef, have the respect to listen to someone whose father has just been a martyr right now.
This
It is a
act
rhythm.
has got the
Look at
temerity
this, look at
to
this.
give a
Look at
lecture.
this.
if you want to
Hatred
do
for
something, my
Look at this
salute to
hatred for
Niyanta.
India.
What
This is
bravery she is
unfortunate.
talking to us,
ये
and she
तौसीफ
has lost her dad.
अगर ये चिल्ल पॉप बंद करे तौसीफ तो बताएं, इनके पिताजी के पहले 5 लाख जो कश्मीरी पंडितों को हटाया है, मारा है, मर्दों को, उनके बच्चों को मारा है, कश्मीरी पंडित
नियंता,
औरतों के
मैं
साथ
आपके
जो
against
बलात्कार
थोड़ी
किए,
थोड़ी ना
वो
हूँ
किसने
बाबा।
किए?
आप सवाल
वो
तो
किसने
करिए कि
किए?
आपके
ये
पापा
इतने
की मौत
बदतमीज
कैसे हुई?
है ये कि नियंता की बात नहीं सुन रही है.
नियंता जी,
नियंता के
मैं
पिताजी
आपके
की
फादर
मौत
के साथ
आप
हूँ।
जिसका सपोर्ट
आप बात
करते
तो
हैं,
करिए।
उन्होंने करी.
आप पूछिए तो
आपके
सही नुपुर जी
पाकिस्तानी
से
दोस्तों
कि
ने
मौत
करी.
कैसे हुई?
आपके पाकिस्तानी आतंकवादियों ने करी, जिनकी शय लेके आप टीवी पे भौंकते हैं हर रोज रात को, उन्होंने करी. अगर आप
मैम,
यहाँ
उनने
बैठ के
तो खुद
भारतवासियों
TRS ने
को
खुद क्लेम किया कि हाँ हमने करवाया है.
अगर गवर्नमेंट सक्षम नहीं है तो बीजेपी को वहां से हट जाना चाहिए ना. अगर वहां पाकिस्तान घुसकर किसी भी अनजान आदमी को मारता है,
I want my other panelists to come in. 1 minute. Chetan has not spoken.
गवर्नमेंट कर क्या रही है?
आप पाकिस्तान
उनको बोलिए
के
हाथ पे
मुर्दे
चूड़ी
हैं.
पहन के बैठ
आप
जाए.
पाकिस्तानी
अगर
चूजे
बीजेपी
हैं,
गवर्नमेंट
चूजे.
पाकिस्तान को नहीं संभाल
आप
पा रही है,
पाकिस्तानी
बोलिए हाथ पे
चूजे
चूड़ी
हैं.
पहने
मुझे
और बैठ
बोलना
जाए.
पड़ रहा है यहाँ पे. शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको. अजय पंडित जी के पहले 5 लाख कश्मीरी पंडितों के साथ जो दुर्व्यवहार हुआ, किसने किया? आपके और आपके दोस्तों ने किया, जिनके लिए आप मुंह
नियंता,
फाड़ के
आपके
भौंक रहे हैं
फादर के
आज.
लिए जितना दुख है सबको है, मगर आप सवाल नहीं कर रही है सरकार से.
सर अगर आप
मेरा
ये
सवाल
कह रहे हैं कि
है
मेरे
आप
पापा की
सवाल-
डेथ क्यों हुई,
किससे करेंगे?
वो इसलिए हुई कि वो कश्मीर में सेकुलरिज्म के लिए काम करते थे.
करेंगे.
इसी चीज ने शायद, इसी चीज ने उनकी
बोलिए,
थिंकिंग ने,
आप बोलिए.
वो इस नेशन से प्यार करते थे शायद इसीलिए, शायद इसीलिए. और आप कह रहे हैं कि क्यों हुई, मैं बताती हूँ ना. सेकुलरिज्म के लिए, वो वहां डेमोक्रेसी के लिए काम करते थे, वहां के लोगों के लिए काम करते थे. इसीलिए मैं पहले भी बोल चुकी हूँ, इसे पॉलिटिकल इशू मत बनाइए.
कि वहां पे किसी का जान गया क्यों? वहां पे किसी का जान गया क्यों? चाहे वो सरपंच हो.
Tauseef, 1 minute. We heard your point, and it's a shame that you're repeating the point of someone who's made her point evidently clear. Don't politicize issue, I have other panelists I go to.
वो कांग्रेस की सरकार कहाँ थी तब मेरे पापा के साथ ऐसा हुआ?
Please, ma'am, go ahead. If you don't
वो
want
तो
me to
उनके
answer,
लीडर थे
if
ना,
you don't
उनकी
want me
पार्टी
to
में थे ना,
question,
वो कहाँ
and
थी?
if you really want me to malign my image through your channel, I am most welcome. I am happy with it. No issues for that. If you want to malign my image and you want to give me a political tag that I am doing politicizing on someone's death, you're most welcome. This is what you have done.
You have shown your loyalty towards Pakistan. Forget politicizing. Maybe you'll get a hefty check tonight. That's what you have done. You also, like Congress, have absolved Pakistani-backed terrorists because
that's okay, ma'am. I don't want to argue that this is the problem. Whenever a minority raises the issue against the BJP, we have been called as a Pakistani. हमें पाकिस्तानी बना दिया जाता है नियंता और मुझे आपसे कोई शिकायत नहीं है मैं आपसे हाथ जोड़ के विनती करता हूँ
मैं आपको पाकिस्तानी नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैंने आपको ब्लेम नहीं किया मैं तो नेशन से
I don't want this to become 1 minute. Let's not play. And Tausif, I want you to understand two things. Understand who the martyr here is and who is no longer with us. Let's not also get personal here because we're understanding what Nyanta is trying to say. Third, let's not keep going on the same, berating on the same point you are. I want to go across to our other guest. Ashish is with us as well as Chetan. 1 minute now. Tausif, you've spoken a little bit now. Let me also let others have their eloquent turn. Ashish, I want to ask you a question. Where were these people? Israr, Ifra, I also want to ask you a question here now. Ifra, you've also heard what's been happening and Nyanta has clearly said let's not politicize the issue. But the simple matter here is she's looking for justice. Isn't it time that justice comes to her without any politics in this matter? Without making this about a political party?
Ma'am, Nyanta is my younger sister and I want to tell her that she's a very brave girl and I respect her. But I also want to tell the panelists that 20 sarpanches, including Mr. Ajay Bharti, have lost their lives. They have been brutally murdered. That's why it's very important to listen to Mr. Ajay Bharti's interview he had given to Mercury Times last year, where he had said, "Hum sarpanch hai, hum marte hain, hamara accommodation kyun chhina gaya, hamari security kyun chhini gayi." That was not a Pakistani speaking. That was Ajay Bharti himself speaking. The question is, if the BJP keeps playing politics over sarpanches' bodies, and it's not about the Congress sarpanch, it's about all the sarpanches who've lost their lives. If it keeps taking away security from them, if it keeps throwing them out of safe accommodation, the sad part is that BJP willingly or unwillingly keeps playing right into the Pakistan's hands. I mean, we have seen whether in the NIA case, Pulwama case, it turned out that it was a BJP sarpanch called Tariq Mir who had taken the RDX and supported the terrorists. We have seen in Devinder Singh case, again BJP had a direct collusion with the terrorists. So I would want to ask, does the BJP have a direct collusion with the TRP, the terrorist organization? Is that why it's taken away the security of not just Mr. Ajay Pandita, but also of other panchayat members whose lives is...
Ashish, I want you to also come in, after which I go across to Chetan as well. Ashish, there is a question that's being asked here on sarpanches and you very closely followed everything here. I want to get a sense from you on how to look at it. I want to get a sense from you on how to look at it first and then I go across to the other panelists.
Tariq Mir was never a part of BJP when Pulwama happened.
So, look, Rhythm, I think...
Ma'am, he was a part of the BJP. What about Devinder Singh?
Can I get some time, please? Can I get some time?
So, the question is that why would you take away a Kashmiri Pandit Sarpanch's security? That's a very simple question I'm asked. You understand that Sarpanches already are very vulnerable.
Can I get 2 minutes here, please?
20 Sarpanches have been killed. And then a Kashmiri Pandit is even more vulnerable. Anybody understands that. I mean, right now, yesterday, there was a silent protest by Sarpanches.
If Ashish also wants to come.
Started asking difficult questions. You guys refuse to ask all those questions and tell us why your government plays directly into Pakistan's hands every day. Now, what has your government, anyone from your government visited Mr. Pandita's family? Did you guys ask, tell Nyanta why? Do you guys play directly?
Okay, I've heard your questions. Ashish.
Rhythm, I think the panelists have made their points.
First, let Ashish get his comments. He's not spoken yet. Yes.
Yes, please. So I'll just take a very little time. I have issues with the premise on which this debate has been organized. I think, like Ms. Pandita has said, and she's said it very openly, very clearly, and I admire her for that, that we are talking about a martyr here. And we are talking about someone who gave up his life for India, right? And even your hashtag, which is running, is martyr insulted. Now, given that the debate has devolved into such an abysmal level, I think it is important to bring it back to some semblance of sanity. The point is that if Mr. Ajay Pandita has given up his life for the cause, then we must take it upon ourselves to make sense of why it has happened and to prevent such things from happening in the future. And I think that it is very important to frame the problem correctly in order to get the solution, the right solution for it. Now, as we speak, there is a mini exodus going on of the Hindus, of the Kashmiri Hindus who went back for their jobs and who took some packages from the government and went back to Kashmir risking their lives. And now there is a silent exodus going on as we speak. That is because the Kashmiri Pandit Mr. Ajay Pandita was targeted specifically because of his religious identity, and it was a strong message which was sent out by the terrorists that Hindus are not welcome here. And that is what exactly has happened. Now, how do you address that? Do we talk about what Shashi Tharoor said or what the BJP is responding, or do we take this forward as a civilizational contest, as a civilizational clash that I keep repeating everywhere I go, and frame the problem accordingly and work out solutions? The problem why Ajay Pandita was killed is the same reason that we, 4 to 5 lakh people, were driven out of the valley 30 years ago, and we cannot go back. And this is the same problem, the same circumstances
Rhythm, I'd like to make a point out
to
here.
his unfortunate killing.
Ashish, I heard you. Ashish, I heard you, but see, like,
Chetan, yes.
Rhythm, you see, Niyata is here, and she's a very brave girl, that goes without saying. Out here, you see, when I was just trying to find out about Ajay Pandita, what I got to know that this person was full of life. He was always full of life. He was a very brave man. He never ever, felt a fear for a moment. This is what he has told the entire people whomsoever he is to meet. Though he had several threats, whereas the local administration was indifferent to those threats. First. Second, it was not a brutal killing, it was a cowardly killing. Why? Because he was shot in the back. You look at this person, these people who have come with the guns, and they have shot this unarmed man who was a Gandhiwadi ideology follower. They did not have guts to face him from the front. So therefore, he is a winner. He is a victorious.
And therefore, the issue didn't need to be politicized by the Vadra Congress, Chetan. That's also a point that we are clearly stating here.
See, Correct. Now let me come down to this point. You see what Shashi Tharoor has said right now, and what Nupur ji is saying. She has said 20 times Pakistan, Pakistan, Pakistan. Why? What is the need to talk about Pakistan here? See, you are the one, you have to inquire, you have to find it out why the local administration was indifferent, why they have not, give any heed to the security request what Mr. Ajay Pandita was giving time and again. Second most important point out here, you see the BJP person, I'm just taking this discussion to a different point, not of the Kashmiri point, from the tweet point of view, from the pretext of the tweet, you see what is happening in Gujarat. The horse trading of the Rajya Sabha tickets are taking place. What is happening in Rajasthan? Madhya Pradesh, you have seen it. We all have seen it. A day before the lockdown, what has happened? We all know that in Madhya Pradesh. And now Maharashtra is also a classic example in front of all of us. So therefore, these two things should not be mixed out here. The point out here is Nyata is here. We must salute her. We must tell her that she is a brave girl. What she is trying to do out here, she is looking for a justice for her father. Yes. Therefore, what is important for this current regime to ensure that this girl is going to get the justice. How the justice is going to come? Not shouting out here, not blaming, not doing any kind of a blame game. What is important to give assurance? Is Nupur ji knows that from which
Chetan heard your point, but I've heard, Chetan, it sounds very nice the way you're speaking, and this is just rhetoric. But at the end of this debate, I to get my final word to Niyanta. Niyanta, आपने सबकी व्यू पॉइंट सुन ली, आप सबसे अंत में क्या कहना चाहती हैं? क्योंकि हम आपको पहले भी सहयोग दे चुके हैं और अभी भी कहना चाहते हैं, हम आपके साथ हैं। आप क्या कहना चाहती हैं सबकी बातें सुनकर? जो लोग ये पॉलिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं, आप उनको क्या जवाब देंगे?
एक चीज, सिर्फ एक चीज कि किसी शहीद पर पॉलिटिक्स मत खेलिए, बिकॉज पीपल, द फैमिली, they get ashamed. We are really ashamed on that. ना blame game खेलने की जरूरत है, ना politics खेलने की जरूरत है. I'm seeking for justice and investigation, nothing more. हमें justice चाहिए और ये हमारा हक है. It is the responsibility of the full nation. ब्लेम गेम खेलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, पॉलिटिक्स खेलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि मैं किसी को ब्लेम यहां करने नहीं बैठी. मुझे किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी या पॉलिटिकल लीडर से कोई मतलब नहीं है. मुझे अपने पापा का जस्टिस चाहिए बस. मुझे ब्लेम गेम नहीं खेलना है. और बाकी मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि वो लोग इतना सब कुछ ला क्यों रहे हैं. कहां से ये बीजेपी, ये आ कहां से रहा है? नेशन है ना, नेशन के लिए जान दी तो नेशन लड़े मिलके. अब यहां भी पॉलिटिक्स खेल रहे हैं. 5 दिन हो चुके हैं, 5 दिन हो चुके हैं. मैं इतनी बार बोल चुकी हूं. तो कितनी बार, जितना जस्टिस को डिले किया जाता है ना, उसका मतलब आप जस्टिस को डिनाई कर रहे हैं. क्या मुझे भी पिछले केसेस की तरह 8 साल खुद को रगड़ना पड़ेगा? 10 साल रगड़ना पड़ेगा? वो भी उसके लिए जिस चीज में हक है, जो चीज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है नेशन की. तो मैं रुकने वाली तब तक नहीं हूं जब तक मुझे जस्टिस नहीं मिलेगा. नहीं, मैं पहले भी कभी डरती किसी से नहीं, और मैं पहले ही कह चुकी हूं सर, मुझे किसी से नहीं, मैंने कहा किसी पार्टी से नहीं. मेरे पापा भी कहा करते थे कि इंसान का भरोसा नहीं होता है, इंसान को जज करना आना चाहिए आप लोगों को. मैं कोई ब्लेम गेम किसी के साथ नहीं खेली, ना ही मेरे कोई इश्यूज है. I'm a 19 years old kid. प्लीज एक बार तो एक साथ आइए. इस वक्त तो एक साथ आइए. कब आएंगे फिर? इस वक्त 2 मिनट के लिए पॉलिटिक्स खेलना बंद कीजिए. Don't stop this game. Be united. I want justice for my father, and I want it, and I will get it at any cost.
Niyanta, we hear you, and we at Republic TV are with you. The whole nation is standing with you, believe us. We're all standing with you, and everyone is united. आपने एक बात कही कि सब यूनाइटेड रहें. पूरा भारत आपके साथ यूनाइटेड खड़ा है. जिसको पॉलिटिसाइज करना है वो करे, लेकिन हम आपको एक वादा दे दें कि जस्टिस होएगा और सब आपके साथ खड़े हैं. और ये सिर्फ एम्प्टी वर्ड्स नहीं है, आपको कोई साल नहीं लगेंगे. एवरीवन इज स्टैंडिंग यूनाइटेड विथ यू. वी हियर योर पेन, Niyanta, and this issue cannot be politicized. Justice will be given faster than you think. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for speaking out. And I'm telling you, the nation is continuing to be